I want to share a small problem that used to annoy me a lot. I watch my own gameplay on YouTube, sometimes I play games, sometimes I just browse the internet. While doing all that, I listen to music on Spotify in the background. Everything is fine until a bad song starts playing. At that moment, I have to open Spotify and bring it to the front and click the next button. That breaks focus. It feels slow. And it is really annoying, especially during gaming or streaming, so I wanted a simple solution. I wanted to change or pause songs without opening Spotify, without alt-tabbing, without extra effort. Here is what actually works. First, open your browser and go to AutoHotkey.com. Download AutoHotkey and install it on your computer. This is needed because we will run a small script using a .hk file. After installation is finished, go to your desktop. Right-click on an empty area, create a new text document. Rename the file to spotify.hk. Make sure the file ends with .hk. Now right-click the file. Open it with Notepad. On the screen, you can see the code I am using. These lines tell Windows what keys to listen for, and make sure to save the file. After saving the file, double-click the spotify.ahk file. Nothing will open on the screen. That is normal. The script is already running in the background. You do not need to do anything else. Now look at the system tray at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a small green edge icon. That icon means the script is active and working. That is it. Now you can play games, watch videos, or browse the internet. Spotify can stay minimized. You can change songs or pause the music using the keyboard shortcuts. Control plus Alt plus right arrow changes to the next song. Control plus Alt plus left arrow goes to the previous song. Control plus Alt plus space pauses or plays the music. Spotify can stay minimized. Whenever you want to change the song, press Control plus Alt plus right arrow. If you want to pause or play music, press Control plus Alt plus space. No need to open Spotify, no need to Alt tab. Everything works in the background. If you listen to music while gaming or working, this setup is very useful. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.